Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, it's a mail call day for me today. Went to the P.O. box, took a look inside, and found a couple things in there. One from, it looks like, Kendall Kid, and the other one from Lakehousebeach. Pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at what Kendall Kid sent. Open this thing up, got my trusty little knife out. Hopefully it's a little sharper than most of the knives we see in YouTube unboxings. Oh yes, nice sharp blade on here. I'll just trap my little slip here. Let's take a look. Oh, cool. Little Santa card. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hope you have a good one. An awesome 90% constitutional silver quarter. Thank you, Kendall Kid. This is awesome. Man, I love constitutional silver. This is really cool. You know where that's going to go? Right into a tube that's in my quarter box. So that's really awesome. And that, it could be Santa's belt buckle. Isn't that cool? Well, thank you, Kendall Kid. I really appreciate that a lot. Appreciate you taking the time to make me out a card, mail it to me, and throw in something valuable with it as well. That's really awesome. Thank you again. So we'll put that up here. Let's go ahead and open up this card from Lakehousebeach and see what we have in here. Boy, look at the tape job on that thing. Didn't want anybody getting in there. Whew. Let's slice this thing open, see what's in here. What do you call a polar bear at the beach? Sandy Claus, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Congrats and thank you so much for your help in my live streams. Happy holidays, Lakehousebeach. Oh, look at this. Got a bunch of coins on here. To Talking Bullion. I missed that part at first. Wow, this is really cool, Lakehousebeach. Let's check these out. Well, you got these things all taped in here very well. This actually looks like a little something that actually held the penny. That's kind of cool looking. I don't know what those are. So this looks like a penny. It's got a stamp on it. Let's see if we can get this thing to focus on it. There's a face there, 1973. Can't tell what that is. I need to look at it closer. Here, I got a loop right here. Let me take a look at it with the loop real quick. Looks like that's JFK. So, yeah, it's got a JFK stamp looking at Lincoln there. So that's pretty cool. Never seen one of those before. So I appreciate you sending me that. Again, that's really cool. I like that. Pretty good shot of it right there. And over here, let's see what we have here. This looks like it's got a little piglet on it. 1 cent. 1981. Oh, that's a Canadian penny. Is it Canadian? No, sorry. I saw the Queen and just thought Canadian, but it says Bermuda on it. Elizabeth II. So look at that. It's really cool. Wow. Never saw anything like that. That is really awesome. Thank you. And over here we have this is a sorry, should be looking at it here. It says on this side. I'm not sure where this is from. Maybe Mexico? Oh, Ecuador. There we go. I can read that. Sorry. Just need to get a view of República del Ecuador. So, 50 centavos. Cool. I like that too. I don't have anything like this. This is really great. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. So thank you guys. This is really cool. Great funny card. Put that here. Put these down here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Well, thank you again, Lakehousebeach, and thank you, Kendall Kid. Couple great things that I received in the mail today. I appreciate you guys sending those over a lot. I appreciate it a lot, guys. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you appreciate this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, it'd be great if you did that as well. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.